mean, almost vapor pressure deficit and dew point are kind of the exact opposite thing, right? And what I mean by that is vapor pressure deficit is what is going to establish how much moisture your plant transpires into the space, how much evaporation of moisture there's going to be into the space, and then dew point temperature is going to define at what point that water that's in gas form will condense back into liquid. And to Keith's point, the higher the vapor pressure deficit, the faster the transpiration of moisture from the plant is going to be. And the target VPD for cultivators is a subject of much debate, but we find that it lands somewhere between 1 and 1.5 kPa, depending on the maturity level of the plant. And if also understand though that the vapor pressure deficit is an important consideration. It's not the only consideration, right? Temperature and humidity as their own parameter is also important to consider in plant growth and plant health.
Yep. It's like a recipe. So, you know, all the cultivators on the call, as well as the partners working with them, know that people have preferred recipes that they've used for years. Sometimes when you switch lighting equipment, that recipe has changes that have to happen, or maybe changes that should happen to improve the plant health as it's dealing with a new set of sensible and latent loads. And then the recipe can be combined to translate into other things onto this map, basically. So some folks like a recipe to use with HID lighting that's shown in this one orange dot, but there could be many other dots, just like we showed in the other picture.